So I guess whoever takes off first, you just gotta go for it.
Gotta come up and click, but more aggressive. You want to sit out, Mars? You could. Sit like right here. You want to sit out.
More?
Not too much. Not sit like
Right? Okay, I got a little bit. Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and today we got some flipping racing going on, dude. Some real deal racing. What's goody, bro? Sheesh. It's hot as hell, a little windy, but
there's a few hitters out here today. You're gonna have some competition a little bit.
Racing or
no, totally.
Wheelies? Y'all are like, is today like a race day? Or you guys like have other people?
Sunday or Saturday, Sunday.
Okay, hell yeah. Sheesh. I'm trying to race, so we got some racing going on, bro. What's good, brother? What's good, G? Chilling? Hell yeah. I'm a freaking bro. We got two brand new bikes, bro. They didn't beat me that bad, bro. I'll be a goddamn racer soon, bro. So you gotta let out that clutch so slow. Yee! Let's go, me and the homie outside. Bro, this is freaking awesome. Let's see it. Alright, Kawasaki versus Husky. Woo! That was sketchy. Hey, bro. You shredding that thing. Let's go. You freaking tuning that hoe. Yes, the brand new 2024 YZ450. I love how like everyone wheelies and they freaking race, bro. Woo! Me? Oh boy, alright. Woo! Bro! Let's go! Shee, what's good, bro?
How you doing, bro?
I like the bike, bro. I love those graphics. They're too clean.
How you doing? Second row?
Is it 250 or 450?
450, 2024.
Damn. No, I know it's a 2024, bro. Yeah, let's go. Hey, big 450. Bro, look at all the bikes we got lined up. This is sick. Yeah. Insane. He was in a wheelie next to the two bikes. Bro, I can't keep up with them, bro. They're too fast. Yes, sir. Let's go. Boy, racing and hit some wheel skis in the flops. Woo! Hey. How y'all get it not to pop up? So you're just like slowly?
Like you're trying to burn your clutch out.
Really? Bro, I'm like, I keep popping up and up and up. I'm like, I'm gonna try that.
Don't let it out until you like bang a second.
Really? Alright. Some real deal racing going on. Alright, I'm gonna try. Hey, how slow you let out the clutch when you go? Like super slow? Here, hold on.
You want to sit on the gas tank though. Yeah, you should.
So you're like this?
Yeah, I'm like this. You get off like that.
Ah, cause my shit just pops.
Yeah, you let it off too hard. You got like easy.
Okay.
Let it come up and quick, but more press. You want to sit up, bars. You could. Sit like right here. You want to sit up.
Alright. More?
Yeah, it's not too hard. Not like right there.
Right? Alright. Okay, I got a little bit. That should help, bro. They're teaching me how to freaking race. Hey, how do they know who starts it?
They just whoever like take off. They just try to time each other.
Oh, okay. So I guess whoever takes off first, you just got to go for it. What's up? Hey, I appreciate that. Thank you for watching. I have no idea what's going on, bro. Hey, let's race. Let's see if I got this. There's damn people in my way, bro. Bro, yeah. I need to learn. Oh my god. It's crazy. Second? I don't know. I never raced. I don't really know how to.
Like have it out just a little bit.
And take.
And look, when you just slip it out, have it out just a little bit. Have it till like take off almost.
Yeah.
And then gas, and let it go slow. So try to stay forward.
So they're in second. They're in second gear.
They in first.
Second. Hey, you in first? Ah. You in first or second? Yeah. Second. I'm nervous. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. I think I won that one, brother. My first race. Second gear is way better. I see why they say second gear. Second gear is like, damn, that was sick.
Hey, look, hey, when you take off, you gotta scoot up a little more.
More?
So come up.
Yeah. Okay.
Good,
No, yeah, that second gear helped a lot. Yeah. Yeah, hey, you know, light work, baby, light work. me, all this freaking racing. It's a new freaking thing. Screw it, I'm pulling up. Alright, we're about to go. Oh my gosh, bro, that gets my heart pumping. I got the 2-stroke. We won one. Let's go. Look at him go on the go-kart. A bit slam, bro. Bro, it's so low. It's so low. Yeah. They got a slam freaking go-kart. Sir. Bro, the thing goes pretty damn fast. Alrighty gang, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As you can see, it's a little rainy, it's a little wet now, it's getting a little sketchy. But freaking dirt bike racing on another level right here, dude. I got myself a few little laps in. I think I won maybe 1 out of the 20 I was in, but it's all good. Remember, stay motivated, stay disciplined. Until next time, peace.